Hey guys, this is Chris Rumpel from thelazymarketer.com. I want to show you something really cool that we've been developing for the past several weeks. And let's just say that if you've ever had problems with putting up sites that look really good or really professional, or if HTML or the techie stuff in general just is not your forte, and maybe it's a bit of a hang up in your affiliate career, this could be a complete game changer for you, and I'll show you why. Let's check it out. It's called the Affiliate Genie, and essentially what it does is it's a really easy way for you to create professional, fully functional, and high converting affiliate sites with zero technical capabilities. You don't even have to install it, this site on or this script on a database. You don't need to create a database. All you do is upload it to your server, and it's working. It's workable as is. Incredibly powerful. It's super easy to use, and it spits out great looking sites. And let me show you some of the features that we've incorporated here. This is sort of like WordPress except for affiliates, and it's a very tightly targeted script, meaning that there's some features and everything is related to making a profit. If a feature or if something isn't going to be profitable or related to turning out a profit, we haven't included it. So this is specifically for people that are interested in having their sites convert. So if that's you, then this is for you. The top feature here, this is called the feature promo area. This is optional. You can either enable or disable this, but what this does is this is a space where you can promote your top converting offer or your top recommended offer. You can insert HTML here, videos, images, whatever you want, and it displays site-wide. Okay, so back to the home page. Here we've just got a simple, standard headline and content, but again, you can have images, videos, whatever you'd like, just like a normal site. As you can see, we've got a category on the left-hand side, and we've got pages that we create in those categories. So these could be either articles or product reviews, whatever you want. Basically, it's more geared towards product reviews, but you can use it for whatever you'd like. You don't have to use product reviews. You can use articles. You can use content, whatever. It's up to you. Here's a sample product review. Obviously, this is entirely biased. The product is Affiliate Genie, so take this with a grain of salt. But here's a sample description, sample research area. Each of these should be about 2 to 3 paragraphs long. Here's a sample feedback area, and as you can see, your visitors, your users can actually leave comments on your site, and it happens in real time. Check this out. And once again, I got to remind you, this does not need a database to function. All you got to do is upload it and it works. So check this out. We'll go Genie is great. We'll give it 5 stars. We'll pass the security test, and there you go. Okay, and the comment's live. So Genie is great. And by the way, this is search engine friendly content, so the search engines can see the content that your users add. Now let's add another comment, and as you can see, the average user rating now is 5. And let's go. I thought it sucked. And we'll give it 1 star. And the last month of the calendar year is December. Submit. Okay. So what it did is this updated this automatically updated the average user rating value based on, obviously, your user ratings. This guy rated at 5, this guy rated at 1, the average of that is 3. And this will continue to update in aggregate as your users add comments. So it's very interactive, very useful, totally hands-off, and your users can get a very good sense for how a product is based on what they're all saying about it. So not only do you have your own reviews, but you have the ability for people to comment and leave actual feedback, which is huge. And you can see down here as well, we've got the compensation disclosure on every page. You can adjust that as you need to, and we've got the page share links on your social bookmarking services and stuff like that, and a disclaimer, privacy, and so on that you can edit easily. Let's log into the admin so I can show you some more cool stuff. Okay, so here's the Affiliate Genie admin panel. You can add it. You can add or edit absolutely everything here. Here's the home page. Here's the featured promo. Again, everything is built-in HTML editor and super easy to use. We've got the main preferences area. As you can see, my password isn't exactly unique, so I would suggest using something other than password, but that's just up to you. You can edit your site name, whether you want to use a featured product for your homepage or if you want to create your own. This is cool. You can either have a contact form or not. I'll click yes just so you can see what that does. You can click on your email. You can adjust your email address here. You can enable comments. You can have it so they're moderated. You can have it so that you get notified when someone leaves a comment, and so on. Here's where you enable or disable your featured promo. This is that thing that displays at the top of every page. This is your compensation disclosure statement. You can actually edit the colors of your site and the menu. You can edit this, the green bar. You can edit the background. You can edit everything else. You can edit your logo image. The top left here, you can just upload it super easily, and you can enter your Google Analytics code. You can have short URLs if you want. Depends on what your host is able to do, but either way, your site will be completely search engine friendly, and it has its own sitemap and XML and RSS and stuff that it creates on the fly as you create stuff. So as you can see, this is totally built for affiliates solely. That's what this is for. It's simple and it works. See right there, it added the contact form. So if you go to contact, then it's you can send me an email or whatever, and I can disable that with a click of a button, as you just saw. Let's do a quick a sample of how easy it is to add a product. Okay, let's go. Let's pretend we're doing a guitar product. Guitar Pro 3. Guitar.com is the company. We'll add it under Lazy Marketer. We'll give it a 4. And like I said before, we can just wipe this all out if you wanted to start from fresh, or you can use the current format or edit it or whatever you want. You can edit these headlines. You can do whatever you want. And we'll go Guitar Pro 3 is, and then have 2 or 3 paragraphs there. And users found that, and once again 2 or 3 paragraphs there. You can enter a snippet of user comments from a forum or something like that. It's great. Brad from guitarland.com. This is all fake and I have no idea if these sites exist or not. I'm just using it as an example. And you can have your affiliate link there if you want. Guitar Pro 3. Get it here. Just click on the link button, enter your affiliate link here, aff link, whatever it is, insert, boom, there you go. Keywords, Guitar Pro 3, and other keywords that you may have. Page description, this is where you just briefly describe the page. A review of Guitar Pro 3, and if you have an HTML link or some sort of advanced link, whatever, you can add it there and it'll just display at the bottom of the review. We'll just ignore that for right now. Add product, and there we go. Content is saved. Let's check it out. And again, there's our top offer, which we can disable if we want, but beneath it we have Guitar Pro 3. There's the rating. We've got our description, our research area, our link, customer feedback snippet. We can leave comments. It's ready to go. It's built into the site. It's already part of the RSS feed and the sitemap. And this is how easy it is to add content to a professional affiliate template. Here's an example of another site on life insurance, and you can see the top offer here is totally different. It clicks to a CPA offer. But that's just an example for you. This is clearly a very powerful tool, and I'll have more details about it shortly. We'll be releasing this as part of Affiliate Armory, but also as a standalone product, so stay tuned. All right.